Hey, what's going on, good people? It's Tony with Wicked Artistry Candle Co. We are back in the building today. Just wanted to do a little prep work. All right, so that's what we're doing today. We're doing some prep work. We have a few things we need to take care of. So first of all, if you're new to the channel, we are the channel of showing you not only how to make candles, how to do business with candles, how to market your candles, all of that. Everything is coming soon, sooner than later. So be ready for that. But today we are jumping into these beautiful frosted white West Coast vessels, large, from 1617 Candle. All right, so now generally you can do these one of two ways. You could take and 3-wick these or double wick. We're double wicking these. All right. So now here's what you have to do. When you first order, first of all, shout out to 1617 Candles. I've been dealing with them for about the last 8 months, and I love everything that I've gotten from them. My vessels are super, super nice. Everybody seems to love them. If you look around and go to the website, wickedacandles.com, you will see I use 2 different companies. I love 3, but I use 2. 1617, and I use Dream Vessels. All right, so we're focusing on the large vessels from 1617 today. So without no further ado, let's get into this. So I'm prepping for adding these variants to the candle line. Now, depending on which line I want to add them to, is going to vary, because I have, apple maples and bourbon, cucumber watermelon, snickerdoodle, vanilla saddlewood, Christophe Armand, which is the signature fragrance of Wicked Artistry Candle. I have Spa Retreat. I'm adding my relaxation, my mood enhancer. We have Marbury Jamaica Me Crazy. All of these fragrances, we got some Desire that we're going to be adding. The list just keeps going and going and going, because we want not only to be candles for just a certain amount of time, but all year round. All right, so, but I'm double wicking these. Now, most of the time we come with, most of the time we come with burn tests. Well, I'm going to burn test one. I'm using one vessel. Now, here's the reason why I'm using this vessel. I don't know if you can see this. Now, this is where it becomes important when you get your candles out, all right? I don't know if you can see that, but right here, this rim is damaged, all right? And it's nothing that the company did. I'm going to say that. It's nothing that the company did. But generally with these, I usually just take and burn test anyway, so that's what I'm gonna do. So how do I prep my vessels and wax and all of that? First things first, we're not pouring. I'm prepping. All right, so this is a prep video. So what I do is I grab a bottle of 90 proof alcohol, 91 proof. I give me a paper towel. It's right here somewhere. I don't know where I put it at. And I clean out the vessels, because length will get inside your vessels. All right, packing materials will get in there and stay in there. Okay, so we clean them out, and I know that I'm going to double wick these, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab 2 wicks. I'm using 1617 CD6 wicks. They come in 100 in a pack, as you can see. I'm going to use my wick stickers. All right, I bought a roll of 1,000 from Candle Science, and what I'm doing is I'm going to take and peel this sticker. I'm going to mount this sticker onto, as you can see, I mounted it onto the tab. We're going to grab the other one. All right. And like I said, I'm just getting this ready to pour. I'm not pouring this right now. I'm going to pour this in the morning. All right, so I got my 2 wick stickers ready. My 2 wicks ready, excuse me. Now, I ordered my wick centerers from 1617. They haven't gotten here yet, but they will be here. So I'm just going to go ahead and place one wick here. Now, you notice I stuck it in there, all right? Now, here's what a lot of people don't know. I don't tab mine down until I'm completely happy, because I might have to readjust that. You see that? So I got it in there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these scissors. I'm just going to go inside of here. I'm going to press down, make sure that it's nice and snug all the way around on both tabs. All right. Then I'm going to take a couple of these wick holders. Also, candle signs. Now, I got this when I first started with my pack. So, let me give you a bit of information on how to do this. So, what I'm doing is I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to push this wick in. And I'm going to come on the back side. I'm going to do the exact same thing. It's going to center the wick for me. All right, so there it is. The wick is centered. Now, here's what I didn't tell you. I'm gonna tell you now. All right, this holds about 14 ounces. So what I'll probably do is I'll make this like 13.5, because when I add my fragrance oil to get a nice strong scent, I usually go 10% of that, so it'll probably be about 1.3. I could just go 1.0, but I want the fragrance to be strong. I'm sitting here trying to decide which fragrance I'm going to pour. My wife is going to add this to her decor table, and we're going to use this as a burn test. All right. So if you've never seen a burn test, check out one of my videos. Shows you how we do burn tests. And yeah, this is how I prep. This is the prep work. This ain't the pouring part. This is the prep work. All right. So this is the first part. There's like 3 parts to this, to making candles. All right. Actually, there's 4. I jumped from 1 because if you want to make candles, you've already done part 1. So we're in part 2. We're going to do part 3 tomorrow. And then we'll do part 4. So really part 2 is we're prepping. All right. Part 3 is we'll get the wax, the fragrance oils together, and part 4 is we pour the candle. So part 3 and 4 will come together at the same time. All right, they'll come together at the same time. All right, you know what you got to do, man. If you like what you see in this video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that bell notification, because that will let you know when a new video pops up. All right, without no further ado, first of all, I want to thank you for stopping by today. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. All right, it's your boy Tony with Wicked Artistry Candle Co. We out here. Peace.